Excessive or hidden moisture within concrete subfloors can lead to a variety of issues, including adhesive failures, mold growth, buckling, and the need for costly repairs. That's why reliable moisture testing devices are a must-have for any thorough floor covering installation professional. Surface testing and in situ relative humidity testing are both used to detect moisture. However, surface testing estimates moisture on the top of the concrete slab, and in situ testing detects moisture within a slab. It's important to use the best tool for your specific situation so that you move forward with flooring installations with precision and confidence. While in situ tests like the Rapid RH-L6 offer the most accurate results, many professional installers prefer using concrete surface moisture meters for instant assessments of the slab surface. If you're going to measure the surface moisture content of concrete, the Wagner meter's C555 is your best option as it offers twice the accuracy of leading competitors. The C555 Concrete Moisture Meter measures moisture levels up to 3/4 of an inch below the surface of the slab. While surface moisture meters won't be able to detect moisture content deep within a slab, there are plenty of times when this type of meter offers helpful and quick moisture data. If you're looking for the complete moisture picture for making a flooring installation decision, only in situ RH probes like the Rapid RH-L6 reach the measurement depth needed for a complete moisture assessment. Whether you choose surface level or in situ moisture testing, at any stage of the project, you want the data to be accurate. Wagner Meters conducted an in-house study evaluating the accuracy of the C555 Concrete Moisture Meter against the top leading concrete moisture meter manufacturers across 9 varied and commonly used concrete mix designs in the United States. Recognizing that different concrete compositions dry and react differently, our study was designed to encompass a broad spectrum of mixes, ranging from those with fly ash and air entrainment to mixes fortified with fibers or modified with accelerators and retarders. Of those 9 concrete mix designs tested, the C555 readings were significantly closer to oven-dry results than other leading meters, making the C555 2 times more accurate than the competition. For more information about the study, look for the section titled "When Using a Concrete Moisture Meter, Use the One That is 2 times More Accurate" in our description down below, and click the link for a more detailed explanation. Not only is the C555 2 times more accurate than industry leaders, it's the only concrete moisture meter that includes everything needed for in-field calibration, meeting ASTM F2659 requirements. While surface testing shouldn't be an end-all final determination for installation, if you need a fast assessment of your concrete, it's clear to see that the C555 Concrete Moisture Meter is a slam dunk. If you're going to use a surface meter, use one that's the most accurate one available, Wagner's C555. To obtain a comprehensive moisture picture in your slabs, choose the Rapid RH, the gold standard in in-situ testing. Sometimes contractors want to use the C555 to quickly identify problem areas before drilling holes for their Rapid RH-L6 probes. This 1-2 punch is available in a convenient kit, providing both tools at a cost-effective price. If this kit fits for you, check out the CFP415 Rapid RH-L6 Concrete Flooring Professional Kit with data logging capabilities. If you still have questions or are curious about what concrete moisture testing is perfect for your needs, visit our website at www.wagnermeters.com or shoot me an email at jspangler@wagnermeters.com.